Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and selecting Notification and Status Bar section. Following that, click on Notification Management, located at the top, and click on the sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also click on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!